I'm Anniko Feher and I work for APS as a marketing manager for 2 years now.
My name is Sabine Lohmanns. I'm working with APS for 10 years and I'm now the general manager and I'm working in the purchase.
APS is all about openness, curiosity and technical innovation. We have a very open-minded approach and we want to be accessible to the customers. We are excited about new future prospects of the aviation industry and we are curious about new products.
My name is Alexander Scheufen. I work for APS since 2019. First, I was a sales representative and today I'm in charge for quality management. APS is AS 9120 certified. That means that we track and monitor all our processes into the last detail.
To bring this vision into our day-to-day business, we use our excellent connections to the manufacturers, but we are also in several associations, so we can and do pass on exclusive first-hand information to our customers.
The big issue in the aviation industry is the traceability of parts back to birth, and due to our quality management, we are able to provide this to our customers.
We promote a new generation of sales experts to whom we pass on our knowledge and established contacts. Therefore, our sales team are experts with a very good connection in industry.
On the other hand, we train our salespeople on a regular basis. Beginning of this year, they got a certification from the FAA.
Hello, my name is Jonas Kretzer and I work as a warehouse logistics specialist at the APS since 2019. We work with the SAP software system which enables us fast and smooth processing. Through the proximity to some of our customers and suppliers, we can also deliver the goods ourselves in urgent cases. We are also close to the customs office, so we can ensure faster customs clearance. The greatest thing about APS Logistics is that we are a young and well-motivated team.